Today I'm talking about something that happens more often than you think. Happens to 1 in 4 women, 1 in 7 men in their lifetime, and that is domestic violence. No one should feel unsafe at home. No one should feel anxiety or like they have to prepare for their significant other to come home to avoid meltdowns or blow-ups or, in worst case, physical abuse. A lot of times I hear, this can't happen to me, I'm educated, I'm independent, that kind of thing. But domestic violence does not discriminate. It can happen to anyone, and it's sneaky. It doesn't come out right away, and it's not a terrible relationship right away, because then you wouldn't stick around, right? So it's usually a very slow process. A lot of psychologists, psychiatrists use the frog in a boiling pot of water analogy, where the frog gets put into the cold water, it's fine, and then the temperature slowly gets turned up and up and up, and that's how these relationships usually go. Is everything is wonderful to start out with, everything is great, and then slowly the controlling behaviors start. You get told what to wear, where you can and cannot go, who you can and can't talk to, and then things just escalate. There's a really good show on Netflix called Made, M-A-I-D. It's pretty realistic for verbal psychological abuse, but it has a really good quote in there. It says, "They will always bark before they bite," which is a very, very descriptive. A lot of women will say, "Oh, well, it's just this or it's just that. I'm not getting physically hurt." Keyword there is yet. Not getting hurt yet. And this is where I, as a primary care physician, can come in a little bit helpful. And so if you are experiencing any kind of unsafe environment at home, please tell your primary care doctor. They can help you. They can give you resources. They can, at the very least, document exactly what's been going on, any physical exam findings, any bruising, any injuries, which can help your case later on, if it comes to that. There's also a really good TED Talk if you're interested, TED Talk, by Hannah Petrillo, Petrillo, she herself is a domestic violence survivor, and she goes a lot into those things, and it's a really good resource if you wanna check it out.